Today we are going to talk about solving quadratic equations in one variable. In this lesson we are going to learn how to find the value of x by using factorized. Let us take the first one. 2x power 2 minus 5x minus 3 equals 0. How can to find in R the solution set of it, or how to find the value of x? By using the factorize, we are going to open two brackets. 2x power 2, it will be 2x and x, minus in last, it will be negative and positive, 3 times 1. There are two brackets equal 0, which means that the first bracket 2x plus 1 equals 0. By solving these equations, by moving 1 to the other side by negative 1, then 2 become divided, x equal negative half, or the second bracket is equal 0, so x minus 3 equals 0. Move 3 to the other word, to the other part, x equals 3. Then the solution set is negative 1 over 2 and 3. Let us take another one. Find solution set of the 2x power 3 equal 18x. We have here many steps. The first one, it must be equal 0. So we write the equation in the form of 2x power 3 minus 18x equals 0. Then take 2x as common factor. We must make it simplify. 2x common factor. 2x divide 2, 1, x power 3, take x, it will be x power 2. Here I have minus 18 divide 2 is 9, and x we take it out, so the bracket is x power 2 minus 9 equals 0. And x power 2 minus 9 has factorize, which means two brackets, x and x, negative and positive, 3 and 3. So we here have 3 brackets equal 0, which means that the first one equals 0, which is 2x equals 0, that satisfies that the x equals 0. And the second one, x minus 3 equals 0. By solving it, x equals 3, or x plus 3 equals 0. By solving it, x equals negative 3. And in this lesson we have many story problems. Something like, find the real number which is x, whose double which means 2x is increased by 1. Then its multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is 1 over x. We're going to write this statement in math symbols, which means 2x minus 1 over x equal 1. So we are going to make the equation times x. Why? Because here is I have fraction 1 over x, and we can solve it in this way. So we have to x power 2 minus 1 equal x. By make it as usual, take x to the left hand side by negative sign. The equation will be 2x power 2 minus x minus 1 equals 0. By using factorization, open two brackets, 2x and x, which is 2x power 2. Negative at last means negative in bracket, positive in other bracket. 1 by 1, which means that the first one is equal 0, 2x plus 1 equals 0, then 2x equal negative 1 by moving 1 to the other side, then x equal negative half by make 2 divide it, or x minus 1 equals 0, which means x equal 1.